419 Mindsets of a Scammer. This is an educational project that teaches about numerous methods scammers/fraudsters uses upon their victims, and also it helps to create public awareness of preventive measures that can be taken to protect themselves from being a victim of scams. But awareness is your first line of defense against scammers. What is paternity scam? A paternity scam, also known as a paternity fraud or paternity hoax, occurs when a person falsely claims that someone is the biological father of their child, usually for financial or personal gain. Types of paternity scams. Paternity scams can take various forms, each involving deceptive tactics to falsely establish paternity or manipulate individuals for personal gain or other reasons. Here are some common false paternity claims. In this type of scam, a person falsely claims that an individual is the biological father of their child when they are not. This may be done to secure financial support, emotional manipulation, or other purposes. Forgery or manipulation of DNA tests. Some individuals engage in forgery or manipulation of DNA test results to falsely establish paternity. This can involve altering or fabricating the results of paternity tests to deceive the alleged father or authorities. Emotional manipulation. A person may falsely claim someone is the father of their child to manipulate their emotions or maintain control over them. This can lead to complicated and damaging interpersonal relationships. Immigration fraud. In cases of immigration fraud, individuals may falsely allege paternity to help someone gain immigration benefits or citizenship in a particular country. This type of scam is often part of a larger scheme to exploit immigration laws. Financial gain. Some individuals falsely name someone as the father to obtain financial support, such as child support payments, even if they know that person is not the biological father. This can result in the wronged individual having to make payments for a child that is not biologically theirs. Personal vendetta. In rare instances, someone may falsely accuse another person of being the father of their child as a form of revenge, to tarnish the individual's reputation, or for personal reasons unrelated to paternity. How to avoid being a victim of paternity scams. To avoid being a victim of a paternity scam, it's important to be vigilant and take steps to protect yourself in situations where paternity is in question. Here are some tips to help you avoid falling victim to such scams. Request a paternity test. If you are ever in doubt about your biological paternity, insist on a paternity test before accepting any legal or financial responsibilities. A DNA test is the most accurate and reliable way to determine biological parentage. Be skeptical of claims. If someone claims that you are the father of their child and you have reason to doubt the accuracy of the claim, seek legal advice. Avoid making any financial or legal commitments until paternity has been established through a reputable DNA test. Document all communication. Keep records of all communication, including text messages, emails, and written correspondence related to the paternity claim. These records can be valuable if you need to defend yourself legally. Verify paternity test results. If you are presented with paternity test results, verify their authenticity. Ensure that the testing laboratory is reputable and accredited. Be cautious if the results seem suspicious or if there is any doubt about their legitimacy. Consult legal counsel. If you suspect that you are a victim of a paternity scam or if you are facing a false paternity claim, consult with an attorney who specializes in family law. They can provide guidance and legal representation to protect your rights. Protect personal information. Be cautious about sharing personal information, such as your social security number or other identifying details, with individuals making paternity claims. Scammers may attempt to use this information for fraudulent purposes. Seek mediation or legal action. If you believe you are a victim of paternity fraud, consider seeking mediation or legal action to address the situation. This may involve disputing child support orders, custody arrangements, or other legal matters. Educate yourself. Familiarize yourself with the laws and regulations regarding paternity in your jurisdiction. Understanding your rights and responsibilities can help you navigate such situations more effectively. Trust your instincts. If something doesn't seem right or if you suspect that you are being manipulated or deceived, trust your instincts and seek professional advice. Conclusion: Paternity scams can have serious consequences, including legal battles, emotional distress, and financial obligations for the wronged individual. To address these issues and determine paternity accurately, paternity tests and legal procedures are often required to establish the biological relationship between a child and a potential father. It's essential to approach matters of paternity with caution and seek legal advice when necessary to protect the rights and interests of all parties involved. DNA testing has become a reliable and widely accepted method for determining biological paternity accurately.